Dear friends, in class 7 we are studying 10th chapter practical geometry, and the next point is constructing a triangle with the length of two sides and the measure of the angle between them are known. So if we are known two sides and angle between them, then how to construct a triangle? Let us study. So first construction is, let's take example for how to construct if two sides are known and the included angle, please note, included angle is known. So question is, construct a triangle PQR. We have to construct a triangle PQR given that PQ is equal to 3 centimeter, QR is equal to 5.5 centimeter, and angle PQR, one of the angle is 60 degree. This is given to us. See how a rough construction, how the figure can be. For that we will try to draw a rough sketch. So please note here angle PQR, triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, angle PQR is 60 degrees. This QR is 5.5 centimeters and PQ is equal to 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Now let's see how the construction can be made. So to construct QR 5.5 centimeter, we will take on the compass, on the scale, 2 points. Make 2 points, first at 0 and other at 5.5. Please note, between 5 and 6 at the center point, this distance is, this point is at 5.5 centimeters. Then join these 2 points. Please name those points as Q and R. Now we have to construct angle Q at 60 degrees. So this angle we have to construct 60 degrees at the vertex or at the point Q. For this, two methods are there. One is to take a protractor, keep at point Q. Please note, while keeping the line 0 must coincide exactly with the segment QR. And please note, we are having two zeros on the protractor. So when we have to measure, we have to consider this side 0 because segment is to that side. So since the segment QR is to the right hand side, we will take the 0 right, which is at the right hand side, and then take out 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 degree. Please note, this is not 120 degrees, this is 60 degree angle. One more 60 degree exists. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this 60. Please note, it is not 60 degree because when we start from segment, it becomes 120 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees if you are starting from this 0. So this angle is 60 degrees. There exists another method to construct a 60-degree angle with the help of compass. So if you join this point, you will get a angle of 60 degrees. But let us study the another method with the help of compass, how to construct angle 60 degree. Please note, this method is only for 60 degree angle. So first you have to keep the compass on vertex Q, then make an arc which will intersect the segment. From this segment, intersect the earlier arc. The intersection point of the two arcs is the angle 60. So here, if you are passing this through this, please note our point was here. This point is Q here. It is an 60 degree. Draw a segment passing through the intersection of the arc. Now this angle Q we have constructed as 60 degree. Next we have to construct a point P at 3 centimeters. So to construct a segment at 3 centimeters, we will take 3 centimeters on the scale. For this, we will keep the compass, point of the compass at 3, and we are going to check whether our pencil touches exactly at the 0 or not. So if it is not touching, adjust it. Then make an arc which will intersect the ray. This point is point P. Join this point P to the point R. So in this way we can construct a triangle PQR if two sides and the included angle is known. So please note QR is 5.5 centimeter, PQ is 3 centimeter, and angle Q is equal to 60 degrees. Dear friends, in exercise 10.3 we have next question. Construct triangle DEF such that DE is equal to 5 centimeter, DF is equal to 3 centimeter, and angle EDF is equal to 90 degrees. Please note, here two sides are given and one of the angle is given. So if two sides and angle is given, then how to construct a triangle? We are studying that type of method. So for this, we will take one triangle. Please note one of the angle is 90 degrees, so construction something will be like this. Please note the angle which is given here, angle D is given, that vertex must come downside, then and then only we'll be able to construct it. So D point must be here, angle D. Then I will take this as E and this as F. Other way also it can be constructed, DF and DE. Please note two sides are given to us and the included angle is given. Here DE is 5 centimeter and DF is 3 centimeter. So if this is given, then how to construct a triangle? So for this we will first draw a segment DE. Now to draw the segment DE, make a point at 0 and 5 centimeters. Please note, I have extended this because I want to draw a 90 degree angle. So here please note this point is E point and this point is D point. And the distance between D and E is 5 centimeters. Now we have already studied how to construct a 90 degree angle. With the help of protractor, it can be constructed very easily. Keep the protractor in such a way that this 0 to 0 segment coincides with the ray, and make an point at 90 degrees here. Join this, you will get a 90 degree angle. The other method is with the help of compass, make two arcs. One this side, the other this side. And after increasing the distance on the compass, make one arc upside, one arc downside. So we will get the intersection of the two arcs. From both the earlier arcs, we have to intersect the arcs. Now draw a segment passing through these arcs. Please note all these points are collinear. You can understand this. So here please note this point is, this intersection of the point is, this D is, and this intersection point is, all are collinear. So any one of the method you can follow. This angle is 90 degrees. Now we are asked to construct DF 3 centimeters. So again on the compass take 3 centimeters by keeping the pointer at 3 and pencil at 0. Be sure whether it exactly touches the 0 mark. From D, make one arc intersecting this segment. Now we have got the point D. This intersection is, point F. This intersection is the point F. Join this, E and F. So in this way, we can construct a triangle be sure that it exactly touches the F point. In this way, we can construct a triangle DEF with this angle as 90 degrees, then DF as 3 centimeters and DE is 5 centimeters. Dear friends, in exercise 10.3 we have second question. Construct an isosceles triangle in which the length of each of its equal sides is 6.5 centimeters and the length and the angle between them, please note, angle between equal sides is 110 degrees. So we have to construct this triangle. So we will name it as a triangle ABC. ABC. Please note, triangles can be constructed in this way. These two sides are equal and angle between them is 110 degrees. But this angle, if it is taken upside, then construction becomes difficult. There exists another method, that is two angles are congruent and we can find the measure of these angles and then plot it. The other way is, we will consider this equal sides as one of the equal side at downside. Then 110 angle will be somewhere here. And we will get these two equal sides. And this angle is 110 degrees. So we are going to consider this angle A, B, C. We are going to construct such type of triangle A, B, C, in which angle B is 110 degrees and AB equals to BC. Please note that we have to construct an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal in which the length of each of its equal sides are given to us as 6.5 centimeters. These two sides are given 6.5 centimeters and an angle between them is 110 degrees. So we, instead of drawing like this, I will be constructing a triangle like this. So for this I have to construct a segment BC first. So to construct segment BC, make a point at 0 and another point at 6.5 centimeters. This is 6 and this is 6.5 centimeters. Join these points. So we have got segment point B and point C and the distance between them is 6.5 centimeter. Now 110 degrees can be drawn with compass as well, but easy method we are going to follow. We are going to follow the method of the protractor. So for this, keep the protractor at vertex B and see that 0 coincides with the segment BC. It must exactly coincide and be vertex center of the protractor, that is the intersection of this 0 mark and 90 degree line. Intersection of this point must coincide with the point B. 0 line must coincide with the segment BC. And now we have to draw. 110 degrees. Please note there are 210 degrees. This is 110, this is 110. So we have to consider that 110 which towards 0 is towards the segment BC. So this 0 we have to consider and not the other side 0. So this 0 reason is segment is BC. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 110. So this point is 110. Please note, be careful. Many students make mistake while taking 110 degrees. They take 70 degrees and write there as 110 degrees. So 110 degrees is this side and not this side. The reason is you have to start from 0 and measure the angle. You will get 110 this side. Then mark and point at 110 degrees and join this to point B. After this, again we are asked to construct a segment AB as 6.5 centimeters. So for this also we have to take B and C. 6.5 centimeter. Earlier was 6.5 centimeter. You can check with the help of scale and compass whether this distance is 6.5 and exactly matches 0 or not. So it does keep the compass at vertex B and make an arc intersecting the ray. This point is point A. Join A to C. This point is A. Join A to C. So we will get a triangle ABC in which two sides are equal 6.5 centimeters and angle between them is 110 degrees. So construction can be done in this way. Dear friends, in exercise 10.3, we have third question. We have to construct a triangle ABC with BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter, AC is equal to 5 centimeter, AC is equal to 5 centimeter, and measure of angle is 60 degrees. So let's see how it can be constructed. Rough diagram we will see. It will be again ABC. Angle C is 60 degree. This side angle is 60 degree. Angle BC is 7.5 centimeters and AC is 5 centimeters. So this also can be constructed, no problem. Even if you take the vertex opposite, the other way also it can be constructed. I am going to construct in this way. So for this, I will have to first draw the segment BC with 7.5 centimeters. So make a point at 0 and then 7.5 centimeters. So I'm going to consider this point, mark 0 point and next point at 7.5 centimeters. I hope everybody is able to watch carefully. Join these points. Name them as segment B and C. Now at C we have to construct an angle 60 degrees. I have already told you with the help of protractor you can construct a 60 degree angle. Please note this time 0 is to the left hand side. So this side 60 we have to consider. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 will come somewhere here. Other method I have already told you with the help of compass also we can draw. Take some distance on a compass, any distance. Then make an arc which will intersect the segment BC. The intersection point segment BC, this draw. Without changing the distance on the compass, make an arc. Please note these both arcs are same. Now take a scale and join this. You will notice the intersection of the arc and this point lie on the same. It means 60 degree can be drawn with the help of compass as well as protractor. Now we are asked to draw AC is equal to 5 centimeters. For this, take 5 centimeter on the compass. Keep the compass pointer at 5 and pencil at 0. Be sure whether it touches exactly at 0 or not. Then from point C, make an arc which will intersect the ray. This point is A. Join A to B. So we have got AC is equal to 5 centimeters, BC is equal to 7.5 centimeters and angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Thus, we have completed the topic. If two sides are given and included angle is given, then how to construct a triangle.